Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox VR Quest 3. So step 1, check Roblox age verification. To unlock voice chat, you must be 13 plus years old with ID verified on your Roblox account. Open the Roblox app, go to settings, then account info, and complete the age verification process if you haven't already. Step 2, use Roblox on PC via Quest Link or Airlink. Next, use Quest Link or Airlink to connect your Quest 3 to your PC. Launch Roblox via the desktop app and enter a VR supported game like Roblox VR Hands or VR Islands. Step 3, enable voice chat. Inside Roblox on PC, go to settings, then privacy, then voice chat, and toggle it on. Make sure your Quest 3 mic is selected. In your PC audio settings, you might need to allow microphone access when prompt. Step 4, test it. Now hop into a VR game that supports voice chat. Speak into your headset mic. If voice chat is working, other players will hear you, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.